Hello everybody, my name is Tekholms, and I'm going to go over the How It Works section for the new AI skills, soon to be available on OpenPlaza.io. So I've had a lot of people ask me, what are these, what are they for, and who's going to use them? Well, first things first, these Apertum AI skills are simply NFTs. And these NFTs have a few functions. They first allow you to, one, purchase and mint, and two, authorize your AI's wallet to have access to the skills that are associated, connected to the NFT. So let's go over to the NFT marketplace over here on OpenPlaza. And soon there will be a new AI skills tab. Each of these skills allows us to be able to add an additional knowledge set to our personal AI setup. And they're all specific, and they're all curated and created by me over the past about 2 years worth of experience building on Apertum. These are all dedicated skills for Apertum, and even some skills that have a little bit of an extra Apertum plus other blockchains like the Avalanche ecosystem. Even though Apertum is a L1 of Avalanche, there's still some a little bit differences that need to be taken into consideration, and all the information necessary for you to be able to build a decentralized application or just an application in general, and it be able to communicate with both Avalanche and Apertum will be found here in this skill. And that we can also include additional blockchain connection options and education and skills as well later down the road. So all of these are NFTs that you can mint one time necessary, and they will forever update with you. So as I learn and develop my skills, these Apertum skills will also develop with me. If you see this version 3 change to version 4, that's because I've added something else. So it is a real simple process. And what you see here that is available on the marketplace is the same skill set that I have on my own setup. And it's real simple. So let's go back over to the dashboard page. AI skills, how it works guide. First things first, you mint your first NFT. I recommend the docs. It is free, and it is a simple baseline AI skill so that your AI knows what needs to be done. So we're going to go ahead and go through that process real quick. I'm currently minting this. You just have to pay for gas. There's a MetaMask pop-up that you didn't see, but that's okay. And now I own this NFT. And now the next step is to authorize my AI system to be able to have access to this, my Hermes agent, and its ability to be able to, we're going to walk through the process so you can see what it's like to gain access to this. Okay, so I'm going to first ask my AI to create its wallet. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to copy the prompt, and then over on my AI setup that is connected to Grok 4.5, but that's just the AI backend. I'm going to copy and paste the entire prompt. Now a new wallet has been created, and the AI is wrapping things up. You can see right here that this is the new wallet address. So I can go ahead and close this prompt over here on this side. We'll go ahead and just close that off until that's done. And we'll go ahead and paste. And we can see right off the bat that this does not have any kind of Apertum in it. It is a newly created AI wallet, or it's just a regular crypto wallet that the AI is connected to. Go ahead and try to type this address into the Apertum, the Explore page. Nothing has happened yet. Okay. So in order for us to do this, we need to send 5 Apertum over. Well, I don't necessarily need to do that just yet. So I'm going to authorize anyways. I'm going to authorize it for just 7 days and then authorize AI. I'm going to confirm this in the MetaMask pop-up that just popped up there. Message confirmed. So now we have a new setup here. So we're going to go ahead and copy this to clipboard. Okay, so now we can see that the AI is done setting up the wallet and has access to the env file that it created. And now I'm going to just copy and paste this prompt into here. This prompt is basically a generalized prompt to tell this AI what skill set it has access to and how to be able to retrieve owner-operator information. Okay, so now this process, the AI has set everything up. It is confirmed license holder. This took about 5 minutes, a little more. It said 3 minutes 15 seconds, but this is in total from start to finish. Everything here necessary for it to be able to know what needs to be done, how to access everything, where to access everything, and then you're ready to go. And so now my AI has access to this skill capsule. So I'll go ahead and clear this out. So let's go ahead and find out and see if we can confirm that this is in fact connected. And there we have it. We're able to confirm that the AI does in fact have complete understanding and access to the docs, Apertum skills, and it goes over what it is and how it's able to use it. And so this is just the intro tutorial for the entire process. It is extremely simple, straightforward, and everything is baked right in to OpenPlaza, so you don't have to go anywhere else. And as you want to add more, you just simply repeat the same process. You keep your operator, so your AI wallet available so that you can simply paste this in. So if I want to go ahead and mint, so let's go ahead and move here. I want to go ahead and mint a new license. Go ahead and confirm with the MetaMask pop-up that it's not seen yet, or here. And because we have the AI beforehand, and I did add 1 Apertum to it, I'm going to go ahead and authorize this AI to have access to this additional skill set. But if we come back over to the AI, so now we can see after I had minted and authorized the AI for the new Getting Started NFT, or the Apertum AI skill, it now has the second skill set available, and we'll always remember that it has that. And so that's why this is the brilliant side of all this. I'm so glad that you're all able to be here with me to go through this experience, and I hope you can see the power behind this as much as I can. This is really, truly something amazing, and I'm really excited to see what you are able to make with it, and really add more utility to this wonderful blockchain. So that is it for me. I will create more videos to go over more in-depth materials and subjects regarding these AI skill sets. But really, the important part is knowing the hard part is done. The easy part is getting started. So that is it for me. My name is Tekholms. I'll see you all in the next live stream. You guys take care.